Hi, I'm Jasleen.
Hi, I'm Rimsi.
Hi, I'm Lavika. We all have attended a workshop.
Shikhadua's workshop, and the makeup workshop is amazing. What we have learned is out of the world. There are many queries we had, and she fulfilled every single step of ours.
Along with a great makeup artist, she's a very great human being. She's a very great teacher and a very nice mentor. So I am very satisfied with my first ever workshop.
Actually, we are very satisfied.
Exactly. This was the first workshop I've ever attended in my life for the makeup, and amazing. Patience level was very good. Lots of questions, and she was answering every question. So that was like a toughest thing I think. कि patient level होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
On the whole, she's a perfect and a very beautiful human being by heart, and otherwise also, and as a teacher.
Thank you, Shikha.
Thank you so much
for teaching
for
us
the
how to
amazing
make,
workshop.
how to glamour the world with our duties.